And special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us this solar lantern string light. Kind of see a bit of a picture here of what it looks like. Just the sticker there, just a bit of the string lights there and there. 18-foot cord, recharge via solar or USB. And the back is also just kind of mentioning that same thing. So let's open this up, see what it looks like, and then show you what it looks like. So this is something, hold on, probably our chargers maybe. Nope. All right, that's it for that box. This, oh, it is a charger. So there is an included USB Type-C charger. That's to charge it up. You can also use the built-in solar panel. And this looks to be the little strap that you see here on the front. And so down in here is the rest of it. Nothing else there. So nice little user's guide, tells you all about it, how you'd set it up, everything you can do with it, etc. Then we've got the actual, for that, solar lantern string light here. So very, very soft around the edges. You can see a brightness button here as well as a power button. Got the little sticker there. Item code is SP1, but this is like a soft silicone. What we're gonna do is we're gonna figure out exactly how this whole thing works, how it comes apart. Your string lights are down in there. Your solar panels, of course, here. So we're gonna find the USB port, get this charged up, and then we'll take it out back and show you exactly how it works. All right, so now we have charged this up. Now I want to show you a few other things that I did not show you before. To get to the string lights part, this actually just folds down, just like this. And then bam, now you've got access to your string lights. You can set this way. You can, of course, hang it with the hoops, still use the solar panel. And right there is your USB-C port to charge it and your USB-A port to plug out to some other device. So let's take this outside and we're gonna see how it works. We got our power buttons here, our different brightnesses. Let's give it a go. All right, so we have our little lantern all put together here, and I'm gonna hang it up on this hook like so, and then we'll reach in here and hit our power button. So let me turn off the flash on my camera. So that is essentially the brightness of the first setting. Now there is, of course, the light button in here. So if I press it again, then we get all of our cool RGB lights lighting up over here. How can I, there we go. So we can undo this a few times. That'd be pretty cool hanging at your tent. If I go in again and hit the light button, oh, they all go to one color. All a nice, oh, they're actually changing colors. Look at that, they're slowly going through it. Look at that, that's pretty cool. I actually really, really like this light. And there is a little like hook there on the end, see that? Very, very nice. Is there another setting? Let's see. And we go in again. Yeah, it changes them, that turns them back off. There we go. And also if you hit the power button, you get 3 levels of brightness. So like this is medium, definitely a little brighter. And if we hit the power button here again, we get the maximum brightness. And then of course we can hit the other button to turn back on the string lights. Very, very cool. So that is essentially what this would look like. Very nice for your camping adventures. And I think that'll do it for this video. So thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send me this camping lantern. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.